guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Katie and today I am doing what I consider to be one of the most exciting hauls ever. That is for Maura Higgins collab with Inglot UK. For those of you guys that don't know who Mora is, she was on season 5 of Love Island UK and this girl is like amazing. The level of confidence, the sass, the no nonsense, and just like self-worth that this girl has is insane. And I wish that all women had that level of confidence and sass and self-worth, because we would be doing so much better in the world if we did. First of all, she's from Ireland and she just has like this no nonsense like bullshit meter, and she will call people out. Like, she's not one of those people that will just get walked all over or anything like that. She's the type of girl that if she sees something, she's gonna say something. And when Inglot, which is a very popular brand, especially back in the old YouTube days, for those of you that were around back then, we all were obsessed with Inglot, and I just haven't seen it. It kind of went away in popularity as we came up and bigger brands started coming in and working with YouTubers, and also as people started buying higher end products in the like price range, not quality. And so I feel like they kind of in a way went the route of Makeup Geek, where people were still using them, but it just wasn't all the time and you weren't hearing about them all the time. But as soon as I found out who Mora was collabing with, I was like, yes, I can get on board with this collab. It was very difficult for me to get this. She did not do her collab with Inglot USA. It's just UK and Ireland, which was disappointing. I was like, come on. So I'm gonna take you guys through, show you everything that I ended up getting as I try to get it all in a pile. I actually had my friend Laura from LJ Popsy, who lives in the UK. I ordered everything off the Inglot UK website, sent it to my friend Laura. She lives in Surrey. She then opened it up, made sure everything was in there, closed it back up, took it to the post office and shipped it to me. And so that's how we're here doing this haul. So the first thing I have here is the Inglot Mora Fire It Up eyeshadow palette. She has two palettes. I went with this one because I felt like it was the most me, and I couldn't justify buying both palettes because I was buying everything else. And so I just felt like I needed to, you know, check myself a bit. So this is what the palette packaging looks like. Nice little square, really nice and hard. But isn't that so crazy? It literally, it's magnetized and the top comes completely off, which I actually really love because one, it makes the palette lighter when you're holding it doing your makeup, and two, the other reason I love this is because oftentimes you'll be doing your makeup and that palette lid, it's either staying, you know, keeps falling down closed, or you're trying to hold it and the lid's like hanging over. And I just love the idea that it comes completely off, and I love that it's magnetized. Love it. So the shades in this are Cheeky, Mink, Foxy, Radiant, Sunset, Mystic, Eventide, Fantasy, and Devilish, which I feel like this is definitely like she 100% named these. The next thing I got was the Inglot Mora Glam and Glow. I'm not going to say Inglot Mora anymore. You guys know that's what it is. It is the Glam and Glow Trio palette, and I got this in light. I went back and forth because it has like a light, medium, dark, and I'm like, Katie, you're light, deal with it. So this is what it looks like, and again, it just comes apart so easily. I'm obsessed with this packaging, and I also love that it's stamped with Mora over each one. I just think that's so cute. This is a bronzer, highlighter, blush. Oh, it says HD Sculpting Powder, HD Highlighter, Face Blush. I was actually in need of this anyways. It's the Duraline, and they just put Inglot and Mora on there, but there's nothing different about it other than having her name on it. The Duraline is really, really good if you have anything that you're trying to add moisture back into. So say you have like a gel liner that has become hard, it's, you know, no longer like usable, you can put a couple drops of this, start with one, and mix it in there, and it kind of brings it back to life. You can do it with a liquid liner, you can do it with any liquid shadows, you know, things like that. Then I got the Mora, the Sparkling Dust Highlighter in City Lights. So basically, I went through, Mora she created a YouTube channel in order to post the video of her doing her makeup, and I bought everything that she used in that video because I was like, this girl's makeup looks amazing. This is what the highlight powder looks like. Oh my gosh, it has the cutest little poof in there. It's so little. I love it. And then we've got the brow liner gel, and this is in medium brown. That's my shade in pretty much everything except for Anastasia, which my shade in that is soft brown. Oh my gosh, it has a foil over it too. Ah, that's so good. So many gel liners and stuff need to come with a foil over it. I may as well open it. Come on. Oh, that's gonna be such a nice color. I'm gonna keep the foil on. Might preserve it longer. It's teeny, teeny, tiny. Then we have the mascara. So I got this, it's all the Drama Mascara. And it's not a giant bottle, but I mean, honestly, who's gonna go through a giant bottle before it dries out? Ooh, oh my gosh, that wand looks amazing. And I have to tell you, something I don't like is a wet mascara. This is not a wet mascara. This is a creamy mascara. This product in here, like when it comes out on the top, that's not wet. You can tell when a mascara is wet because you can like see the water on there. This is legit cream. I honestly cannot wait to try this. Then we have the liquid eyeliner. So cute. This actually reminds me of the Collection 2000 packaging from back in the day on their liquid liner. Ooh, I like that. That's like a proper firm brush on there. I'm just gonna... Oh, I like that. I really like that. So something I don't like about liquid liners is when it's like a bristle brush, like a makeup brush, because when you put it on your skin, the brush like frays apart, so you get more of a thicker line. This is really firm and you just get like the teeniest little line. I'll show you guys that again up close. Then I got a lip liner. This is, oh, sharpener included. It's Heat is the name of the lip liner. Oh my gosh, and it's got the sharpener, like, love that. And this is like a cream liner, so that's really nice. I just wanna, oh my god, I love it. Then we have the lipstick, and this is in Dance Floor. Oh, this is a lip satin lipstick. Oh, I like that. It's very like grippy. Love this lipstick shade. Oh, that goes so well with the lip liner. That's gonna look really nice. And then the final thing I got is a lip gloss in Runway. She put this over the lipstick after she was done. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, and it's got a really nice flat doe foot applicator. What does that smell like? It smells like my childhood. What is that? Oh my god, it smells so good. It's like almost like bubble gum, like strawberry bubble gum. That's what that smells like. That smells so good. But it's like the you know, in the green packaging, that one, it's like the proper bubble gum that's like super chewy and you can blow really big bubbles. Anyways, I am super excited to play around with all this. You guys know I'm gonna give you a review, and I'll probably show myself like doing my makeup exactly how Mora did it on her YouTube video. I'm gonna link her video down below, so for those of you that haven't seen it can find it. I am also going to link the place you can watch it, which is Hulu. They have all of the seasons of Love Island UK. I have to say, in my humble opinion, season 3, season 5, those are the best ones, followed by season 2 because that drama was crazy, and season 1 was really good too. Season 4, and then season 6. So that is my order. But yeah, if you guys haven't got on the Love Island train, get on it. I highly recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!